You have seen that IMTEX is yet to happen, and this is where all the industry leaders who are going to come and inaugurate this mega metal working, metal cutting exhibition of Asia. But the engineering festival is already on, and we are going to go to UCAM. It is just 9 o'clock, and they are going to inaugurate their stall and they are going to launch their new innovations.
IMTEX is always a very momentous occasion for the entire industry. Very happy and glad to be a part of the UCAM stall inauguration and the new product launch. This, I strongly believe, are steps towards making India a manufacturing powerhouse by working together and looking at how the industry itself is able to deliver global solutions.
Thank you so much for your time and as well for your partnership with us, with UCAM. ACE and UCAM have gone a long way, and we'd like to continue this partnership of Make in India and also develop a lot of innovative products together. And we believe that we'll be able to stay ahead of the market with all the new innovative products that we'll be launching.
We always traveled with UCAM. They invariably given solutions, whatever that we looked for, and continuously supported us, whether it's a cost, delivery, or the quality. Continuous improvement on the servicing front has helped us to really give a good product to the customers, and I hope they will reach greater heights with their products and services all the time. And this should be Atmanirbhar for us as far as the manufacturing is concerned. Let them create more and more products which will stand the test of the globe. All the best.
UCAM is supporting Indian manufacturing industry, machine tool in particular, for decades now, and through their continuous development. And they are particularly the strategic partners for all the machine tool builders, in particular the machining center manufacturer in the country, because the product developed by the UCAM, the rotary tables, is one of the key accessories. That is the first thing which goes onto the machining center. And that's where earlier, few decades back, we used to depend on the imported one. And I'm proud to say today they have captured the Indian machine tool builders' confidence and also the trust in enabling that their products are on the global map. This is all because of the new product development, which has been the hallmark of the UCAM in the several decades, and this is where the UCAM stands out today in the market. I wish they are in the right track and they're going to scale higher and higher in the coming days.
ACE Designers is a company which has inspired us immensely. Not only inspired us, inspired so many other budding machine tool companies. And that has given us a lot of spirit for us to build our products and our business. And we will see that how we can be better aligned to ACE Designers, other Indian machine tool builders, so that we can make India stand high in the world global manufacturing.